In this video, you'll learn all the functionality of the parent app. So let's get started. When you launch the app, you'll see the dashboard screen. You can see the total screen time, last connected date and time, and usage pattern of your child's device. The first graph shows you how the device is used in each mode. The second graph gives you the usage pattern of your child's device. You can also see the top used app and website for the selected date by sliding to the right. If you want reports of a specific day, press on the calendar icon and select a date. You'll then see the data for the selected date. The timeout functionality can be used to blank out the screen of your child anytime you like. This will completely block all apps. This can be used to gain the attention of your child. You can set the required amount of timeout and stop it whenever required. The notifications icon is used to show you information about your child's device, such as geofence activation or requests from your child for an app or website. It also shows device events such as accessibility has been turned off or when the child's device has been disconnected for more than 24 hours. Here, you can see that there are two notifications. Press on the icon. The child in this case is requesting access to Google Play Games, and there is another notification informing about the activation of the geofence called McDonald's. If you want to allow the app, just press on the check mark and select the mode you want to allow the app in. For the geofence, you can just dismiss it. Pressing on the back button will take you back to the dashboard.